It sounds like you might be referring to the Clearview virus, but there isn't a known virus by that exact name. However, it's possible you're thinking of a malware or potentially unwanted program, PUP, related to Clearview, a known adware or browser hijacker in some cases. Here are a few general steps to deal with any malware or virus-related issue. Update your antivirus. Make sure your antivirus software is up to date and run a full system scan. Good antivirus programs like Norton, Bitdefender, or Malwarebytes are effective at detecting and removing most threats. Use malware removal tools. If your antivirus doesn't catch it, you might need to use specialized malware removal tools such as Malwarebytes, ADW Cleaner, or Hitman Pro. These are designed to remove PUPs, adware, and other types of malware that regular antivirus programs sometimes miss. Uninstall suspicious programs. Go to the Control Panel, Windows, or System Preferences, Mac. Look for any unfamiliar or suspicious programs that might have been installed recently, especially those that you didn't intentionally download. Uninstall anything that seems suspicious. Reset browser settings. If the issue involves browser hijacking, like homepage changes or pop-up ads, reset your browser settings to default. For Chrome, settings greater than advanced greater than reset settings. For Firefox, help, troubleshooting information, refresh Firefox. For Edge, settings greater than reset settings. Clear temporary files. Use a tool like CCleaner or manually delete temporary files and browser caches, which can often hold on to malicious files. Enable real-time protection. Ensure that your antivirus has real-time protection enabled to prevent any future infections.